ma'am, like as you said that you told about how to when to go to a psychiatrist when we need a psychiatrist.
Right.
But
Right.
it's the question that comes to person's mind is how to go about choosing the right psychiatrist for yourself. कैसे
Right.
ढूंढे?
Right. Thank you for that question, Karina. बहुत often मैं ये चीज देखती हूँ that people go to a psychiatrist, it does not work out, and they completely dismiss the entire mental health care system. When you have a physical symptom, you take 3 different opinions from 3 different doctors till you arrive at the perfect fit for yourself. Similarly, mental health care में भी आपको अपने लिए आपका perfect fit ढूंढना पड़ेगा. कौन सा psychiatrist या कौन सा psychologist आपके नीड्स को सबसे ज्यादा अच्छे से समझता है, वो परफेक्ट सिनर्जी होनी चाहिए आपके और आपके मेंटल हेल्थ केयर प्रोफेशनल के बीच में. These steps, these questions, you not only ask a psychiatrist but also a psychologist or a therapist that you go to, right? First is you ask them what sort of training they have received, right? Basic check. Second is what is the course of treatment that they are going to take. मतलब कितना आपका टॉक थेरेपी होगा, कितना उसमें मेडिकेशन होगा, right? Then if your treatment plan, right? First is you ask them what sort of training they have received, right? Basic check. Second is what is the course of treatment that they are going to take. मतलब कितना आपका टॉक थेरेपी होगा, कितना उसमें मेडिकेशन होगा, right? Then if your treatment plan it involves medication, then get to know as much about the medication as possible. I understand there's a lot of hesitance when it comes to taking medicines for mental health issues, mental illness, but talking to your psychiatrist and understanding what the medicine actually does helps reduce the anxiety that you have around taking any form of medication for mental illness. Third question you need to ask is what are the tools that a psychiatrist is going to use? Is he going to give you talk therapy? Is he going to refer you to a psychologist who will understand your issues? What if he gives you talk therapy, or if the psychologist is giving you talk therapy, what is the tool that they are using? Are they someone who deal with CBD, which is cognitive behavioral therapy? इसमें जो अंडरलाइंग थॉट पैटर्न्स होते हैं हमारे हार्मफुल बिहेवियर के, उस चीज को एक्सरसाइजेस दे करके अलग अलग इंटेलेक्चुअल एक्सरसाइजेस से वी ट्राई टू सॉल्व एन अंडरलाइंग थॉट पैटर्न. सो you ask questions like, okay, are you going to take CBT? Do you go to the past of a patient, try to understand the trauma, and then take a course of treatment? A lot of mental health care professionals believe in just dealing with the current problem in hand. So you need to identify what you are expecting from the therapy and if the mental health care professional is actually providing that course of treatment, right? Next is you have to ask, how much of homework are you going to give? So going to a psychiatrist is just one small step. It's just 1 hour in a week, but they give you homeworks and exercises that you can do at home, which will help you, break out of your toxic thought patterns or the break out of the symptoms of the illness that you are experiencing. And couple of last questions is, how do I reach you in case of a mental health emergency if you are in middle of an appointment? Also, how many days a month, how many days a week I have to come here for the therapy? What will be the time duration of the therapy? So I think these are the certain important questions which will help you make this process much, much simpler.
Okay.